Good afternoon, children. Welcome to online computer class. Today we will start with our new lesson, that is lesson number 3, working of computer. See, in this lesson we will see how computer work. Okay, children. Now let's start with the lesson. See, this is a computer. Computer is a machine. Computer is a machine. It works with the help of the electricity. It works with the electricity. Without electricity, computer will not work. So, just see, computer cannot work on its own. What is the meaning of this? You need to start the computer. You need to switch on the power button, then only computer will start. Then you need to give a command to the computer. You need to type ABCD, alphabets, number, whatever work you have to do, that you have to type it. Without your help, computer will not work. It will not work on its own. Now, you need to enter letters, numbers and instructions into a computer to work on it. As I told you, you need to type letters. Letters means ABCD. A to Z letters are there on the keyboard. Okay, you need to press it, then only it will come on the monitor. Numbers, instruction, whatever instruction you want to give. Instruction means, do you want to close the application, you need to click with the mouse. Okay, these are the instruction. You want to shut down the machine, you need to click on the shutdown command with the mouse. So you need to give all the instruction to the computer to work on it. Now see, alphabets A to Z, numbers are there 0 to 9. These all instructions, these are letters, numbers, these are all called data. This is called data. What is the data? Numbers, letters, instruction which we give to the computer is called data. Okay, children, understood what is data? Now, computer work on three basic functions, three basic steps. Computer works on how many basic steps? Three basic steps. I will explain you what are these three basic steps, how computer works. Computer works on a three basic step. Which are these three steps? Input, process and output. Input spelling is INPUT, input. Process, PROCESS, process. And output, OUTPUT, output. Okay, children, three basic steps are input, process, output. Now, what is input, what is process and what is output, that I will explain you now. See, now just I am giving you one example. Okay, take one blunt pencil. Okay, as a input you take one blunt pencil, and when you want a pencil, sharpen pencil, you need to do what? Sharpening, right? You need to use sharpener to do sharpening. Okay, this is the process. This is the process. After sharpening pencil, we get sharp pencil. We get the sharp pencil. This is our output. So input we took, this is just an example I am giving you. Input is a blunt pencil, process is a sharpening pencil, and then output what we get? We get a sharp pencil. Like this computer work. You need to give input to the computer, then computer work on that input, on that information, on that data. it process into the brain of the computer. Into the brain of the computer means into the CPU it get processed. Then we get the output on the monitor. Where we get the output? Output on the monitor. It means when you press A, it goes into the CPU and then it gives you a final output on the monitor. It show you A alphabet on the screen. That is your output. Same way, I will give you one more example. See, take dirty clothes. Take dirty clothes. When you want clean clothes, what process you have to do? You have to wash it. Washing the clothes is a process. Wash in the washing machine. This is the process. And after washing clothes, we get washed clean clothes. We get what output we get? We get clean clothes. Okay, children. So input we took dirty clothes. We need output. What output we want? Clean clothes we want. So we need to process it in the washing machine. We need to wash it. Okay, washing is the process, and after washing clothes we get final output, that is clean clothes. Same way computer work on the three basic steps. These are input, process, output. What are the three steps? Input, process, output. Okay, children. So today we have learned input, process, output. Computer works on three basic steps. These are input, process, output. So children, half lesson, third lesson, half we have done. Remaining I will complete in the next online session. Okay children, have a good day.